As we see right here, this is one of the German descent domesticated animals named Chloe. She's currently walking away from us. She's the leader of her group. She's overly in charge of all the other domesticated animals around here, as you can see them walking and enjoying nature. This is a great scene right here where you can see the whole background of some of their habitat. And if you look way back there, I think you can see a live footage of Chippy. And the leader of the animals is approaching Chippy slowly. Hi, Chloe. Would you like to speak to the camera?